Hey everyone, I am so excited about this recipe. It's only 170 calories. You can pre-prep this. You can stay within your diet and have only 170 indulgent rich chocolate cupcake. Okay, here's the ingredients. It's 1.5 ounces of bittersweet baking chocolate, 6 tablespoons of unsweetened dark baking cocoa, 1/2 teaspoon of instant espresso coffee, 1/2 cup fat-free milk, 3/4 cup white whole wheat flour, 3/4 teaspoon baking soda, 1/4 teaspoon salt, 1/4 cup of fat-free egg product, 1/2 cup granulated sugar, 1/4 cup packed brown sugar, 3 tablespoons of canola oil, 2 teaspoons of vanilla. And you mix this up together, and you preheat the oven to 350 degrees, and you place the cupcake liners in the 12 regular size muffin cup pan. Okay, and then in a small bowl, you place 1.5 ounces of the chocolate, 6 tablespoons of cocoa, and the coffee. And then in a small microwave bowl measuring cup, you microwave the milk to heat that up. Once that's heated up for about 30 seconds, then you add in your chocolate chips to that, 1.5 ounces of chocolate chips, until it melts, and then the cocoa, and then you add the coffee to that until it's all smooth together, and you set it aside. In a medium bowl, mix flour, baking soda, and 1/4 teaspoon salt set aside. In a large bowl, beat egg product with electric mixer on medium speed for 30 seconds. Gradually add in the granulated sugar and brown sugar, about 1/4 cup at a time, beating well after each additional beat 2 minutes longer. Beat in oil and 2 teaspoons of vanilla, alternating the flour mixture, adding 1/3 of it at a time. Then add the chocolate mixture to it, about half at a time, beating on low speed until blended. You divide the batter out evenly between the 12 muffin tins in the pan, and then you bake it for 20 to 25 minutes until it's done on 350 degrees Fahrenheit. After it's already done and cool, it'll be icing time. Yes, icing time. In a small microwave bowl, you heat 2 teaspoons of milk, uncovered, for about 10 seconds until hot. Then you stir in 1 tablespoon of cocoa, and in another bowl, you stir in the cream cheese until it's smooth, and then stir in the cocoa mixture until blended. Stir in the powdered sugar and dash of salt until the glaze is smooth and shiny. Now the glaze recipe is 2 teaspoons of fat-free skim milk, 1 tablespoon unsweetened dark baking cocoa, 1 ounce fat-free cream cheese, 1/3 cup powdered sugar, 1/8 teaspoon vanilla, a dash of salt, and 1/4 ounce bittersweet baking chocolate. And then after it's all frosted and everything, you can sprinkle the top of the cupcakes with the additional chocolate chip shavings or chocolate chip sprinkles. And it is so yummy. This delicious, dark, rich, chocolatey, delicate dessert. It'll help anybody stay in their diet program. And it's only 170 calories per cupcake. You could probably eat 2 of them and not feel guilty. Okay, well, I hope you love this recipe, and subscribe to Grand Cooking for more.